Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u an kublei phi baru ki hilong ki khubor bamta kasni ka sarkar jala kala pha sabun ngut ki pulit SF10 sheshnong lapang ab ban pahara ba jingedai ki penthorem pat ba hadin bo sembut menturang ba ka jala ba nyau phalang thar ula patha Deputy Commissioner DC ba Superintendent of Police SP ban pen khan ni jingeda ha ka te ka khan jingya ka diam Nagalian ka KSU West Jungle Hills kami siya Secretariat hadin ka jinglang ki balakhat sembut menturang ba nyau phalang thar ki padang nong kalapang am kabalawan nadu snong bantur siya Secretariat bandawa ya kan nong shong shngan jong ki nong rep ki blalit rep shaki penthor hali hadin ka jingalang ka sarkar kalabatha USP ba DC ban kren shaki pat ba akmat ka office secretariat UDC ko West Jungle Hills uyathu lapan bun ni ki bor pulit SF10 halapang ab hadin ka jingakin at ba jingya persha hapdeng ki nong shong shnong bat ki bor pahara ha ki jaka rep pat ba ki pat ba shnong ki lapan pau ba ki pulit ki la pahara pat ba ha kiling kha pat ba khnang banat na kinu ki jinge kin at ne jinge shun ha ka te ka than ka jingpha sabun ki khubor pahara ka long hadin ba Deputy Chief Minister ba snaw bhalang dhar ula hukum mi ki board district ban pet ngor bha ya kasuk kasan bar ka jinge da yi ki nong rep ki bele trei ha ki penthor loong ba ka sarkar jala ka kwa ban pentikna ba kan omdan kanu ka jingkul mar pat ba ne jinge kin at pat ba halapang am ha gawi pat kalyang ki pat ba snong ki dang yai pen pau ya ka jing e ba jing bam sotanan halor ka jingbun ki bor pulit ha ki lingkha da ka ba ong ba ka ne ka pen i ka jinglong jing e kin an ka badang jur ha ka te ka than namar ba ha ki ni ki sngi ki bala dam la don ki jingja jing e kin at ba jing e pen wit na kalyang ki briu jong ka karbi side ka bala wan ra jing e ya ki nong ram ha ka por ba ki pat ba ki dang zdang ya ka ayom ran Ulakran Shairu baga jingelang kamdei halor ka jingye ka Jiaput jilla hre halor ka jingye dai ka jingyo jingerab ka jingyo jingera jong ki nongram ka jingye kran menta kamdei halor ka border issue ngilaya kran halor ka jingyo jingye dai ka kamai ka ji jong ki pai ba lapangam kamatput jilla kare ka bahapan chimbda ha ka kardan sarkar jilla ulong UDC yathu ka sarkar Assam kala thau sarkar thamai kumta umenjurang ba ka jilla ula pente ba unsa shim ya kani ka kam bat umentri rang ba ka Assam ngidang abru ya ka jingthung ya uchaman thamai jong ka regional committee na kalyang ka Assam khnang bana batengi ki jingalang pat ba ula ong ula benrap ba ki bor pulit ki badan menta ka te ka than kimpat biang kumta ka sarkar kan pha shu ya ki bor pahara ban ai jingya dai ki nong shong snong bat ki nong rep hak hapun what ki nong rep ki issue kala dep ong La yakindu yo Deputy Chief Minister basnyau bhalang dhar bat ula kolar banadu ula shai ki nong rep kin la ban beteng ye ka rep jingrem klam ganu ka jingthun ula mahamru balada ka sarkar kampan trei kam ki jingkular ka shnong kan shim na ki pat ki sinjam ban yada ki nong rep jong ka shnong ula kno ru ba ki pat ba ka shnong kila sha pen wit bunsin haba ki ledram ngi rep yala ki jong ki jaka ndrei ki briu na ka karbi ki 1 min miet ban penjulor ye ki penthor pat ba jongi Kane gade ke jing e ka bangi man ka por ula ong ula pen pau ba ka shnong ka long ka ba khandai po san pesen ka ba hun ye ka rai jung ka sarkar mri ka dang kermen ba ka sarkar kan shimkhya bhai gane ka kam bat pha purai ki bor pahara kan thup ki SF10 u Inspector General but u Superintendent of Police ka West Jungle Hills ru kila don ha ka jingilang bat kila kular banadu la shai on pha purai ki bor pahara ban ai jingya dai ki nong rep kala pang am ula pen rap
nila yung ila dua chong sarkar ni kuai yung nila yung SP sir wa DC sir ne benta upresiya ogi ya kajing ya kalam yung itai buka sarkar chapi gi ba biang al pasaba suki hanauri ni ba usa choba bi gi ga ya kalam ite buka sarkar
Dear all, this is DC West Jungle Hills along with the SP West Jungle Hills. Today, many farmers from Lapanga came towards Shillong to air their grievances to the government. After intense discussions which have happened with the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in the presence of Chief Secretary Sir, Principal Secretary, IG Madam, IG Sir, as well as with SP Sir, and me, myself, and the representative from various student organizations, as well as the headman of Lapanga. Amongst the discussions, what the key points have come out based on the demands or the grievances of the people, that starting from tomorrow onwards, the deployment of the SF-10 would be deployed in addition to the existing forces which are there, though which are already equal in number. Second, we will be discussing at the highest level of the government through Deputy CM Sir and the CM Sir. The matter will be taken by today itself. At the district level, me as well as SP Sir will be going tomorrow on the field to ensure that the cultivation starts within the progress and to ensure that the peace and everything is there. Also, in the upcoming days, the peace committee would be handling again. And with regard to the negotiations that have not happened so far, because the Assam government has been formed recently, and the chairman of the regional committee at the Assam side is yet to be decided. So by tomorrow onwards, once the negotiation gets happen, I believe and I firmly believe that the peace would be restored, and from our side, the cultivation would be happening and the grievances of the people would be aired out. Thank you.
DC West Jainti Hills District. Niliang yung DC depan ciu to hadin ketuga kelas. Tapi lah siapa tu tapi to hadin bom biok tapi lipu di rep kamu jole. Dawan di sini dia le chong meeting go deputy chief minister ngi oman le local MLA US Thar. Hata ke office yang hi jing emlang yang ki chief secretary yang SP DC kamu jole yo guru sarkar em. Dan niliang yang government dek ke assurance wuta wa dau bu pulit dik SF10 kamu di situ tu polis tu strong na benta yada yapi ulai po lai rep pitch ta jela pengam terliang yang sarkar le dek ke kata ke assurance kejing penting kena to na dom step dau m double triple kejing bun yang di pulit ku yada yapi helai rep yang pi ta hala pengam kata to assurance niliang yung sarkar wi chong hita po office po secretariat niliang di sisar rengkar USP DKI kita assurance wata wa nado mestap chanai niliang yung pi gidong chong la pengap daw yo pi kata kajingyada ko kerpang wat niliang yung NGO giwa represent gidong chong yung pi ko emlang ni hitai meeting bisnya wata wa nado mestap kesni nado ni step le niliang SP na kanao to na deploy gi na pen pro gi ya kita polis ku M sta cepo la pengam tente daw pa ba kani man ngam ka jipentip cepi man gi jai ni ba niliang yung government ka kwa ku krek ni betayong pi yu kita assurance pi kanang yo pi urep kamu jo urep man snem
Mistep ni.
mistep
Abi ke abi.
mistep saja dan niliang government de kita assurance to ndo mistep hejo ipor le apa ba ketu ka kini ka kam yung polis ku empok chnong bi niliang government le daragi yung kendria ka le chnong bi cai tu cha yom niliang ka sarkar sebentar ni ba ile UI gi pi kate ka jingeda ko kerpang ni benta imit resmi niliang government le daw implement gi daw pengkerekam gi kata kan night curfew niliang government daw pengkerekam gi kata kan night curfew jadi jingka night curfew to yulat kini gi karbi ulai ben prai heli yang pi karbi ni penar pengap ni tak myok ulai di mix town pi kata sin jam de chim niliang government ni benta wo ga jingeda ya pi ginong chong dan itu daw ini liang yung iling NGO may ba daw emlang jerupi la daw sarkar imble gamte daw chim de gwing lutik
Boy kana curfew il pangap kamin snem.
le di daw eklam gini
Patan may patay gini. Boy kana curfew. Hey, I'm very clear. Loud and clear. So very loud and clear. Last year the 144 CRPC has been imposed only for Lapangap. This year we will not accept. Am I right or wrong? Don't talk about that.
Thank you. See, from Meghalaya police side, our job is to ensure that the safety and security of our farmers is maintained at any cost. So we are working towards that. We will ensure you that let us go back to our village and start our farming from tomorrow.
Tomorrow itself.
Yes, sir. So I would request all of you who are here that Let's go back. You have already spent a lot of time here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And government has listened to all your demands. Necessary instructions have been issued to us. So I would request all of you to let us go back and start our work in field from tomorrow morning. Thank you.
But if not done tomorrow, there.
Perfect. Pilih asal yang kita wajibkan yung SP sir, DC sir. Te ingin nilai kami. Nada gitu kijing bawa kijong ini pakai kijing pensiun yang kalian jong SP DC. Nada kim orang ingin sawan sesuai siang ni. Biar biar. Ingin page wah ya kayak bagi kular ini. Wah biar biar. Ingin page kayak bagi kular ini lada gile. Takabiang, lagi mulai yang sama sesuatu pecah, buat ni segi hajar buat ni nak kita mengkibin ya kayak gini dawa ke jampi kinong red. Biang, kerpa di pi, tanggawai, bapin mi dan burung nang ni wat pentut ya kayak yang jong giwai ya gipai yang ti nang ni naga kemar sekretariat, bapin lagi yang gisem jampi, bapin nado lagi saya geski, pilih rep kumbai saya rep. Biang, maju perang, maju perang, maju perang.